Follow this recipe to the end to achieve a very soft, fluffy, and yet tasty chocolate cake. So you have to start by mixing all of your dry ingredients, which includes your flour, your baking powder, your baking soda, cocoa powder, and some sugar. The measurement is already on the screen for you to see. Combine this thoroughly and set aside. In another bowl, go in with your wet ingredients, which includes some eggs, your yogurt, vanilla flavor, and then mix this thoroughly. Now you really want to combine this very well. Then add some white vinegar to this mixture at this point and combine. After this, go ahead with your melted margarine. You can use vegetable oil if your melted margarine is not available, but I use this because of the extra flavor it gives. So after you've mixed this, after you've combined it very well, go ahead and add your dry ingredients. Now give this a very good mix. Now that you are done, go ahead and grease your pan. And I greased mine with some margarine. And then pour in your batter to this pan. And bake for 45 minutes. Now 45 minutes later, my cake is all done. I poured some chocolate drips to this and it was so yummy and soft. You can even see the softness from the cotton. Will you be trying this recipe? Bye. See you in my next one.